Scientists have made a shocking announcement that Iceland is much more terrifying than we previously thought. Beneath the captivating beauty of Iceland lies a layer of mystery that sends shivers down the spine. From terrifying beaches to haunted houses, the country is full of strange and mysterious places that even scientists cannot explain. But what exactly has been unveiled about Iceland that has left everyone so scared? Join us as we uncover the secrets of Iceland. Blue Lagoon Island, Number 1. The Blue Lagoon is a stunning yet mysterious geothermal spa in Iceland. Situated in a lava field in Grindavik on the Reykjanes Peninsula, this iconic attraction is known for its milky blue waters, a result of silica, algae, and minerals that are beneficial for the skin. Contrary to popular belief, the lagoon is man-made, fed by water from the nearby Svartsengi geothermal power plant. The water, used to generate electricity and provide heating, emerges from the ground at about 240 degrees Celsius and is then cooled to a comfortable 38 degrees Celsius for bathers. This process exemplifies sustainable energy use and creates a unique ecosystem. Visitors from around the world flock to the Blue Lagoon for its reputed healing properties, especially for skin conditions like psoriasis. The spa offers various treatments and experiences, from massages to silica mud masks, all using the lagoon's natural elements. Fir Canyon, Number 2. Fjarðarfjall Canyon, a breathtaking natural wonder in southeast Iceland, is a canyon stretching over 2 kilometers and reaching depths of about 100 meters. It was carved by glacial water over thousands of years, leaving behind a landscape that looks almost otherworldly. The canyon's walls are covered with lush green moss that contrasts sharply with the dark basalt rock, creating a stunning visual spectacle. Walking along the rim, visitors are treated to panoramic views of the winding river below, which has carved its way through the landscape since the last ice age. Accessibility to Fjarðarfjall has been improved with marked trails and viewing platforms to protect the natural environment while allowing visitors to enjoy its beauty. This balance reflects Iceland's commitment to preserving its unique landscapes while sharing them with the world. Stor Geyser, Number 3. Strákur Geyser, located in the Hakadalur Valley, is one of Iceland's most dynamic and visited natural attractions. Unlike the serene landscapes often associated with Iceland, Strákur offers a spectacular show of nature's power, erupting every 6 to 10 minutes and sending boiling water up to 20 meters into the air. What makes Strákur particularly fascinating is the geothermal activity beneath the Earth's surface that powers it. The geyser is part of a larger geothermal area, home to hot springs, mud pots, and fumaroles, all indicators of the volcanic activity that shapes much of Iceland's landscape. The process behind Strákur's eruptions is a marvel of geology. Water in the geyser's conduit is heated by magma deep underground. As the water at the bottom of the conduit reaches boiling point, it expands, pushing the cooler water above it out of the geyser's mouth in a spectacular eruption. This natural phenomenon draws scientists and geologists keen to understand the complex balance of forces at work. It's a reminder of the raw energy that lies just beneath Iceland's surface, shaping its identity. Asteroid 2022 EB5, Number 4. In a remarkable event, Asteroid 2022 EB5 captured the attention of the world as it made its journey towards Earth, ultimately impacting near Iceland. This small asteroid, approximately 9 feet wide, might seem insignificant in the vastness of space, yet its encounter with Earth provides invaluable insights into our planet's place in the universe. Asteroid 2022 EB5 was detected just hours before its impact, showcasing the advancements and challenges in near-Earth object detection. The asteroid's entry into the Earth's atmosphere was accompanied by a brilliant display, a massive fireball that illuminated the sky, witnessed by locals and captured by cameras. This event offered a rare opportunity for scientists to study the dynamics of smaller asteroids and their interactions with Earth's atmosphere. The impact of 2022 EB5 in Iceland's remote area added a layer of intrigue to the country's already diverse geological narrative. Asteroids like 2022 EB5 serve as natural laboratories, offering clues about the early solar system and the forces that have shaped our planet. Rósurfoss lava field, Number 5. In the west of Iceland lies a natural wonder that defies the typical image of a lava field, known as the Hraunfossar lava fields. Unlike the barren, black expanses commonly associated with volcanic landscapes, Hraunfossar is unique for its series of waterfalls that emerge directly from the lava bedrock, creating a stunning display of water weaving through solidified volcanic earth. The Hraunfossar waterfalls, also known as the lava waterfalls, are fed by waters that have traveled through the porous lava rock, emerging as crystal-clear streams that cascade gently into the Haida River. The origin of these falls is tied to the Halmundarán lava field, created by an eruption that occurred over 1,000 years ago. This vast, moss-covered lava field provides a vivid backdrop to the Hraunfossar Falls, showing the constant transformation of Iceland's terrain through the forces of fire and water. Visitors to Hraunfossar are often struck by the contrast between the lush greenery surrounding the waterfalls and the rugged beauty of the lava field. Hellisheia Power Station Number 6. Nestled in the volcanic landscape near Reykjavik, the Hellisheia Power Station stands as proof of Iceland's pioneering spirit in renewable energy. This geothermal power plant is among the largest of its kind in the world, harnessing the Earth's heat to generate electricity and provide hot water for domestic use. The Hellisheia station taps into the geothermal activity beneath the surface, where water heated by the Earth's core is brought to the surface and converted into steam. This steam drives turbines to produce electricity, showcasing a mix of nature and technology. What sets Hellisheia apart is its commitment to sustainability. The plant is designed to have minimal environmental impact, recycling the geothermal water and re-injecting it back into the earth, ensuring a sustainable loop of energy production. Visitors to the power station can explore the on-site exhibition, which educates the public about geothermal energy and its role in Iceland's ambitious goal to become carbon neutral. The Hellisheia Power Station challenges preconceived notions about energy production, proving that it's possible to harness the power of the earth without compromising its beauty or health. Hlavallagur Cemetery Number 7. Found in Reykjavik, Hlavallagur Cemetery is a terrifying final resting place and a significant historical and cultural landmark in Iceland. Opened in 1838, this cemetery is a window into the past, housing the graves of many influential Icelanders, including pioneers, poets, and politicians who shaped the nation's history. Unlike the open landscapes that define much of Iceland, Hlavallagur is a serene oasis, its lush greenery standing in contrast to the city's bustling streets. The cemetery's dense vegetation, rare in the largely treeless landscape of Iceland, provides a tranquil and reflective space for visitors. The gravestones and monuments within Hlavallagur are works of art, each telling a story of the individual's life and contributions. Hlavallagur offers a unique perspective on the nation's history, with each grave serving as a reminder of the individuals who contributed to Icelandic society. Walking through Hlavallagur, visitors are transported to a different time. The cemetery stands as a peaceful enclave within the city, inviting reflection on the lives of those who came before and the legacy they left behind. Eldvorp Craters Number 8. The Eldvorp Craters, a remarkable row of volcanic craters in the Reykjanes Peninsula of Iceland, offer a unique glimpse into the island's fiery heart. These craters, part of a vast volcanic system, were formed during a massive eruption around the 13th century, showcasing the powerful geological forces that continue to shape Iceland. Spanning over 10 kilometers, Eldvorp is proof of the raw energy beneath Iceland's surface. The area is characterized by its rugged lava fields, steaming vents, and the beauty that is synonymous with Iceland's volcanic landscape. The craters themselves are a sight to behold, with their deep, rugged cavities and the Earth's heat visibly escaping as steam. What makes the Eldvorp craters particularly fascinating is their accessibility and the opportunity they provide for a hands-on learning experience about volcanic activity. Visitors can walk among these natural wonders, feeling the warmth of the earth beneath their feet and witnessing the steam rising from the ground. The Eldvorp craters also hold significant scientific value, serving as a natural laboratory for geologists and volcanologists studying volcanic activity and its impact on the environment. The area's unique features contribute to our understanding of volcanic systems in Iceland and similar environments around the world. Number 9. Vatn Lake, Hveitarvatn Lake, Pivot Barton Lake. Hveitarvatn Lake, often referred to as the White River Lake, is a serene and somewhat mysterious body of water located in the Icelandic highlands. This glacial lake, sitting at the edge of Langjökull, Iceland's second-largest glacier, offers a pristine example of the interplay between ice and water in shaping the landscape. The lake is known for its crystal-clear but cold waters, which are fed by the melting glaciers. The presence of icebergs drifting across its surface adds a surreal quality, creating a scene that feels both timeless and untouched. The milky appearance of the lake, a result of the glacial silt, contrasts sharply with the surrounding rugged highlands, creating a breathtaking panorama that captures the raw beauty of Iceland's natural environment. Hvítárvatn Lake holds significant scientific interest. Researchers study the lake to understand glacial retreat and climate change's impacts on Iceland's freshwater systems. The lake's waters and the sediments it carries are like a historical record, providing clues about past environmental conditions and helping predict future changes. For adventurers and nature lovers, Hvítárvatn offers a gateway into the wild heart of Iceland. The remote location and challenging terrain make it a less frequented site, offering a peaceful retreat for those willing to make the journey. The lake's surroundings, with their hiking trails and opportunities for exploration, embody the spirit of adventure that Iceland is famed for. Number 10. Hty House. Hví House, set against the picturesque backdrop of Reykjavik's waterfront, is a silent witness to pivotal moments in history and tales of the supernatural. Built in 1909, this house has been the scene of significant diplomatic meetings, including the 1986 Reykjavik summit, where leaders Ronald Reagan and Mikhail Gorbachev took steps to end the Cold War. Beyond its political significance, Hví House is enveloped in mystery and folklore. It is reputed to be haunted, particularly by the White Lady, a ghostly apparition that has led to numerous stories among locals and visitors alike. The presence of this spirit adds a layer of intrigue to the house, making it an important part of Icelandic folklore. Despite its ghostly reputation, Hví House remains a symbol of peace and diplomacy. Its role in the Reykjavik summit is commemorated as a turning point in international relations, highlighting Iceland's contribution to global peace efforts. Today, Hví House is used for official functions and receptions. It represents the convergence of history, diplomacy, and the supernatural, making it a unique point of interest in Iceland's cultural landscape. Number 11. Viking-era caves. Viking-era caves. The Viking-era caves in Iceland offer a fascinating window into the early history of this island nation. Carved into the volcanic rock, these caves were used by the Vikings as dwellings, storage spaces, and places of refuge during harsh winters. Their existence speaks volumes about the ingenuity and resilience of Iceland's early settlers. One of the most notable of these caves is the Surtshellir Cave, located near Langjökull Glacier. Surtshellir is significant for its size and also for the artifacts and runes found within, which provide insights into Viking culture and their day-to-day lives. These caves were integral to the survival and social structure of Viking communities in Iceland. Archaeological studies of these caves have unearthed a variety of tools, weapons, and even remnants of clothing and food, depicting Viking-era life. The caves also bear ancient runes and carvings, which show the rich mythology and storytelling tradition of the Norse people. The preservation of these caves is a priority for historians and archaeologists, as they are invaluable cultural treasures that offer a direct link to Iceland's past. Efforts are being made to study and protect these sites, ensuring that they remain for future generations to learn from and explore. Number 12. Fagerfoss. Fagradalsfjall, Iceland. Fagradalsfjall, a once dormant volcano in the Reykjanes Peninsula of Iceland, erupted in 2021, capturing the world's attention. This event marked the first eruption in the area for nearly 800 years, offering a unique glimpse into Iceland's dynamic geology. The eruption was characterized by spectacular lava flows that covered the landscape in vivid shades of orange and red, creating a mesmerizing natural spectacle. Unlike the explosive eruptions often associated with volcanoes, Fagradalsfjall's eruption was relatively gentle. It allowed scientists, locals, and tourists the rare opportunity to safely observe volcanic activity up close. Researchers flocked to the site to study the lava's composition, the eruption patterns, and the impact on the surrounding environment, providing valuable insights into volcanic behavior. Fagradalsfjall's eruption has also been a reminder of the living nature of our planet, particularly in geologically active regions like Iceland. The event showed the importance of monitoring volcanic activity and understanding the processes that drive these natural phenomena. For visitors, the eruption transformed the landscape into a new attraction, offering breathtaking views and the chance to witness the raw power of nature. Trails and viewing points have been established, allowing for safe observation of the still-cooling lava fields and the changing landscape. St. Stoknes Beach, number 13. Stoknes Beach, located on the southeastern coast of Iceland, is a place of beauty and dramatic landscapes. Known for its majestic Vesterhorn mountain backdrop and expansive black sand shores, Stoknes offers a captivating view unlike any other. The contrast of the dark sand against the crashing waves and jagged peaks creates a surreal and enchanting scene that draws photographers and nature enthusiasts from around the world. But Stoknes is not just a feast for the eyes. It's steeped in history and folklore. The area has a rich Viking heritage, with legends that date back to the settlement of Iceland. The beach and its surroundings are said to have been a notable landmark for early navigators and explorers. In recent years, Stoknes has gained attention for its unique weather conditions and natural phenomena. The northern lights, or aurora borealis, can be seen here over the mountain, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that combines the beauty of the lights with the ruggedness of the landscape. Despite its growing popularity, Stoknes retains an untouched, wild feel. The beach's isolation and the ever-changing weather conditions add to its mystique, offering a different experience with each visit. Number 14. Glymmer Waterfall, hidden within the folds of Iceland's dramatic landscape, stands as the country's second highest cascade. Tucked away in the Hvalfjord fjord, this towering waterfall plunges into a lush canyon, creating a spectacle of raw natural power and beauty. The journey to Glymmer is as captivating as the destination itself, involving a hike through diverse terrains that include crossing rivers and navigating through caves. What sets Glymmer apart is the enchanting surroundings that embrace it. The waterfall is enveloped by verdant moss and birch trees, with the canyon walls offering a dramatic backdrop that enhances its majesty. This secluded spot remains relatively untouched, allowing nature to flourish and offering visitors a serene experience, far removed from the buzz of tourist hotspots. The hike to Glymmer is an adventure, revealing the waterfall's beauty gradually as you traverse the landscape. The path provides panoramic views of the surrounding fjord, mountains, and valleys, showcasing the diverse Icelandic terrain. The final ascent to the waterfall's viewpoint is rewarded with breathtaking sights and the soothing sounds of cascading water. Glymer's allure lies in its ability to capture the essence of Iceland's untamed wilderness. It represents the country's dynamic natural forces, from the gentle flow of rivers to the dramatic drop of the waterfall. Glymmer invites exploration and contemplation, offering a moment to connect with the primal forces of nature. In an island nation known for its waterfalls, Glymmer holds a special place. It's a symbol of Iceland's hidden treasures, waiting to be discovered by those willing to venture off the beaten path and immerse themselves in the natural world. Number 15. Aspergi Canyon, found in the heart of Iceland's Diamond Circle lies Aspergi Canyon, a remarkable horseshoe-shaped depression that legends say was formed by the hoof of Odin's eight-legged horse, Sleipnir. This myth adds a layer of mystique to the already breathtaking canyon, which spans approximately 3.5 kilometers in length and 1 kilometer across, with cliffs reaching up to 100 meters high. Aspergi, part of Vatnajökull National Park, is a sanctuary of peace and natural beauty. The canyon's unique shape, created by catastrophic glacial flooding thousands of years ago, encloses a lush forested area, which is a rarity in Iceland's landscape. This oasis, filled with birch trees, willows, and a diverse array of flora, attracts a variety of bird species, making it a haven for birdwatchers. At the canyon's heart lies a serene pond, Botsjorn, adding to the peaceful atmosphere that envelopes Aspergi. The still waters reflect the towering cliff faces, creating a mirror image that enhances the canyon's beauty. For hikers and nature enthusiasts, Espergy offers a network of trails that wind through the canyon, each providing different perspectives and opportunities to explore this natural wonder. The pathways lead to vantage points that offer panoramic views of the entire canyon and the surrounding landscape, providing a sense of the area's grandeur. Iceland spar crystals, known for their remarkable optical clarity and purity, are a unique geological treasure of Iceland. These transparent calcite crystals have fascinated scientists, historians, and enthusiasts alike for centuries due to their extraordinary property of double refraction, where light passing through the crystal is split into two rays. Historically, Iceland spar played a pivotal role in scientific discoveries. In the 17th century, the renowned scientist Rasmus Bartholin first documented the phenomenon of double refraction using Iceland spar, laying the groundwork for future studies in optics and light. This property was later instrumental in the development of polarized light research and technologies, including the invention of polarizing microscopes and other optical instruments. Beyond its scientific significance, Iceland spar holds a place in folklore and legend. It is said that Vikings, renowned for their navigational skills, may have used these crystals as sunstones to locate the sun's position in the overcast North Atlantic skies, aiding their legendary voyages long before the advent of the magnetic compass. Iceland spar is found in certain volcanic rocks in Iceland, where the unique geological conditions allow the formation of these exceptionally clear crystals. Mining of Iceland spar has diminished to protect natural resources, making existing specimens highly valued for their natural beauty and rarity. The Priest's Stone stands out as a captivating landmark covered in mystery and legend. Located near Akureyri, in the north of Iceland, this notable rock formation is steeped in tales of love, loss, and the supernatural, embodying the deep connection between the Icelandic landscape and its mythology. According to legend, the Priest's Stone is associated with a tragic tale of a young priest who, on a stormy Christmas Eve, attempted to cross a treacherous river to meet his beloved. Overcome by the fierce waters, he met his untimely demise. The story takes a turn as it's said his spirit, unable to find peace, haunted the area, particularly tormenting his would-be lover. The lore suggests that the priest's restless spirit was eventually bound to this large, solitary stone, which now bears his name. This tale adds an aura of melancholy and mystery to the site, making it a focal point for those interested in the supernatural aspects of Iceland's cultural heritage. The Priest's Stone shows the power of storytelling in Icelandic culture, where the landscape is often mixed with tales of the otherworldly. Icelandia, a groundbreaking concept introduced by geologists, challenges traditional perceptions of Iceland's geological identity. This theory proposes that beneath the North Atlantic Ocean lies a vast, submerged continental crust, extending from Greenland to Europe, with Iceland as its visible peak. This revelation suggests that Iceland is not merely a collection of volcanic islands, but part of a larger, hidden continent. The discovery of Icelandia has huge implications for our understanding of Earth's geological history and plate tectonics. It implies that the processes that have shaped the Earth's surface are even more complex than previously thought. The thick crust beneath Iceland, once a puzzle to scientists, is now seen as evidence of this submerged continent. Research into Icelandia has real-world implications, particularly in the world of resource exploration and geopolitical boundaries. The existence of a continental crust could mean access to untapped natural resources, sparking interest from nations and industries keen on exploring these new frontiers. Icelandia also enriches Iceland's already fascinating geological story, adding another layer to its dynamic landscape shaped by volcanic activity, glaciers, and tectonic movements. It reinforces Iceland's position as a key location for understanding Earth's geological processes. The concept of Icelandia also invites a re-evaluation of marine boundaries and economic zones. This could lead to new negotiations under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, potentially extending Iceland's exclusive economic zone. Such changes could have huge effects on fishing rights, mineral extraction, and even undersea cable routes, which are critical for global communications. Furthermore, Icelandia's study opens up new avenues for scientific research, particularly in the fields of geology and oceanography. Scientists are keen to understand how this continental formation has influenced the North Atlantic's biodiversity, ocean currents, and climate patterns over millennia. This hidden continent might hold clues to past climatic shifts and could provide models for future climate change predictions. The story of Icelandia also offers a new perspective on the Viking sagas and ancient maritime lore. It suggests that the early seafarers and settlers of Iceland were, unknowingly, the guardians of a greater, submerged land. This mix of scientific discovery with cultural heritage adds a mystic allure to Iceland's already captivating landscape, making it a focal point for both researchers and tourists fascinated by the mysteries of the natural world. Iceland remains a mysterious place that, although beautiful, hides many terrifying secrets that even science cannot explain.